So today we are going to see the most frequently asked MCQs on the topic application of diodes, where we'll see the MCQs on rectifiers, filters, clipper and clamper. So let's begin. First question. A full wave center type rectifier has dash diodes. A 1, B 2, C 3 or D 4. And the right answer is it has 2 diodes. Next question. The most widely used rectifier is A. Half wave rectifier, B. Center tapped full wave rectifier, bridge full wave rectifier or full wave rectifier. And the right answer is bridge full wave rectifier. Next question. The ripple factor of a half wave rectifier is A. 2, B. 1.21, C. 2.5 or D 0.48, and the right answer is 1.21. Next question. The basic reason why a full wave rectifier has a twice the efficiency of a half wave rectifier. A. It makes use of a transformer. B. Its ripple factor is much less. C. It utilizes both half cycle of the input, or D. Its output frequency is double the line frequency. And the answer is it utilizes both half cycle of the input. Next question. In a rectifier, larger the value of shunt capacitor filter, A. Larger the peak to peak value of ripple voltage, B. Larger the peak current in the rectifying diode, C. Longer the time that current pulse flows through the diode, or D. Smaller the DC voltage across the load. And the right answer is larger the peak current in the rectifying diode. Next question. A half wave rectifier circuit has dash diodes. So how many diodes are used in half wave rectifier? A. 1. Is it 2? Is it 3? Or is it 4? And the right answer is, guess. Yes, it is 1. Next question. Bridge rectifier has dash number of diodes. Now in bridge rectifier, let's guess. A. Is it 1, 2, 3 or 4? And the right answer is, yes, it is 4. Next question. The maximum efficiency of a half wave rectifier is A. 40.06%, B. 81.2%, C. 50% or D. 25%. And the right answer is it is 40.6%. Next question. The maximum efficiency of full wave rectification or full wave rectifier is A. 40.06%, B. 81.2%, C. 100% or D. 85.6%. And the right answer is 81.2%. Next question. A half wave rectifier is equivalent to A. Clamper circuit, B. Clipper circuit, A. Clamper circuit with negative bias, or D. Clamper circuit with positive bias. So half wave rectifier output looks similar to which circuit? Yes, you are right. That is Clipper circuit. Next question. Bridge rectifier is an alternative for A. Full wave rectifier, B. Peak rectifier, C. Half wave rectifier, or D. None of the mentioned above. And the right answer is bridge rectifier output looks similar to full wave rectifier. Next question. The clipping level in a clipper circuit is determined by A. AC supply voltage, B. Control voltage, C. Reference voltage, or D. Input voltage. And the right answer is reference voltage. Next question. The basic purpose of filter is to A. Minimize variations in the AC input signal, B. Suppress harmonics in the rectified output, C. Remove ripples from the rectified output, or D. Stabilize DC output voltage. And the right answer is, as the output of rectifier is given to the filter, the right answer here will be C. Remove ripples from the rectified output. Next question. A circuit that adds positive or negative DC voltage to the input sine wave is called. So which is the circuit which adds voltage to the input? A. Clamper, B. Clipper, C. Rectifier, or D. Limiter. And the right answer is clamper. Next question. In a positive clipper, the diode conducts when A. Vin, that is input voltage, is less than the reference voltage, B. Input voltage is equal to the reference voltage, C. Input voltage is greater than the reference voltage, or D. Input voltage is less than equal to the reference voltage. And the right answer is input voltage is equal to the reference voltage. Next question. Which of the following is not a necessary component in a clamper circuit? A. Diode, B. Capacitor, C. Resistor, or D. Independent DC supply. So which component is not necessary in the clamper circuit? As you know, diode, capacitor and resistor are necessary. So the independent DC supply is not necessary component. So that is the right answer. Next question. The forward voltage drop across a silicon diode is about A. 2.5 volts, 3 volts, 10 volts, or 0.7 volts. So the voltage drop across a silicon diode is 0.7 volts. Next question. In an LC filter, the ripple factor is dash. A. Increases with the load current, increases with the load resistance, A. Remains constant with the load current, or D. Has the lowest value. And the right answer is remains constant with the load current. Next question. What is the circuit in the given diagram called? So we have been given the image of a circuit. Is it a clipper circuit? Is it a clamper circuit? Is it a half wave rectifier? Or is it a full wave rectifier? Just look at the circuit and think, yes, it is a clipper circuit. And to be specific, it is a negative clipper. Next question, same question but with a different circuit. Is it a positive clipper? Is it a negative clipper? Is it a positive clamper or negative clamper? And the right answer is yes, it is a positive clipper. Next question, what is the circuit in the given diagram called? Same question, different circuit. Is it a positive clipper, negative clipper, positive clamper or negative clamper? And the right answer is yes, it is positive clamper. Next question, which is the best filter amongst all? A. Is it a C filter, that is capacitor filter? B. Is it a inductor and capacitor filter? Is it a CLC filter or pi filter? Or is it a inductor filter? And the right answer is it is CLC or pi filter. Next question. Ripple factor of a full wave center tap rectifier is A 1.21, B 0.48, C 0.35 or D 0.82. And the right answer is it is 0.48. Next question. TUF or transformer utilization factor of a bridge rectifier is A 28.7, B 69.3, C 81.2 or D 41.2. And the right answer is 81.2. Next question. Ripple frequency of half wave rectifier is A 75, B 50, C 100 or D 33. And the right answer is 75. Next question. Ripple frequency of full wave rectifier is A 100, B 50, C 33 or D 75. And the right answer is yes, that is 100.